Hey guys, what's up? Big Yellow Dude 707 again. What I got here is a Simplex Vibratone horn, model 4040, Hertz 60, serial number A1, amperes 0.16, runs 120 volts AC. As you can see, I got this off eBay. It's from Canada too. So I'm going to set it off using this, although I have to put them at the same time so I won't electrocute myself or short it out. So I'm going to put it down right here, the camera. Let me just put it in a right position, hang on. Much better. So here we go with enough said. I'm going to count down. Let's get this into position, right here. So here we go. Let's get this right. Oh man. Keeps flipping upside down. Oh, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Come on. Woo! Woo-hoo! That was loud, man. Gotta tell you, I heard about stories about these fire alarms too. So yeah, that's what it sounds like. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.